what the hell's going on. Your apps, yeah, go all the way over, right? After you went to the App Store and you downloaded Downloader, what's Downloader look like, right? It's that little orange guy. Okay, that's Downloader right there. So click on it, put in the link that I put in the description, right? You'll get to this site, you can get this one box thing. This kid put it on, it's fucking awesome. Alright, click that 3 thing on your remote right there, right? And make sure JavaScript's already on there. I have it enabled already, so it's saying disabled. But yeah, make sure that's enabled. And then yeah, scroll, click on Google link, right? And then just click download, and it'll download. So after you download it, open it and enjoy. I'm going all over the place. Look at that. Your apps. Go all the way over, because everyone's like, where the hell is it? Go all the way down. Hey, look, it's right there. And when you click on it, sometimes it will just like freeze right here. It'll just freeze. Unbox HT, just freeze. So I click on things impatiently, so that's what I do. But yeah, see, there it is. Ta-da. Okay, cool. When you click on stuff, it's pretty cool. Like, your solo, right? It'll like load the information depending on your internet. 2 seconds ago it loaded, no problem. Okay, yeah, woohoo! And then when you click on videos, now here's the tricky part. Because before on Terrarium you had Yes Player and MX Player and all that stuff. MX Player is alright. This will be checked. It will be checked like that. Just uncheck it and go to custom. And then just pick one. I already picked MX, so yeah. I'm not going to play it. But yeah, so that's how you replace Terrarium TV. Thanks to the guy who put the link originally. Appreciate it.